Hey, stop what you're doing. I know you're scrolling on TikTok, but here, if you're trying to get items off your credit report or you're trying to buy something and you've been turned down, hey, click the link below. Me and my staff got a little program that could help you out. There's a lot of things going on in the media about people getting turned down for a house or apartment and they can't afford to pay the rent. The rent's going higher. If you're scared of paying these high interest rates, click the link below. Me and my help you out. There's a lot of programs. There's a lot of ways people could fight back. And I'll tell you what, start right now fixing your credit, getting all this removed off your credit report. These are things that we could do, and we've helped a lot of people. If this is something that interests you, click the link below. Me and my staff will give you a call. Have a good one.